Hello and welcome to the Residual Royalty Academy. If you're new here, the best thing to do to get started is to sign up to the free course. It'll put all of these amazing YouTube videos into a really systemized and easy to follow format so you can get started on KDP and make your first 50 or $100. If you've been doing KDP for a little while and you want to go to $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $6,000 a month, then what you need is a royalty accelerator course. It's going to teach you everything you need to know to blow up your royalties. But let's get straight into this video. So scaling niches 101. At what point should you scale a niche? So I've put together here a really simple step-by-step process for you to know exactly how you want to scale your niches. This applies to journals, it applies to other types of books as well. So listen closely and you're going to learn a lot. But let's jump straight into step one. So the first thing to do is just to find 10 niches. You can watch my recent YouTube video about how to easily find hot niches. That video has now got over 4,000 views. So YouTube and the algorithm liked it, so I'm sure that you're going to like that and find it useful as well. Jumping straight onto step two, publish 5 or 10 books in each of these 10 niches, which would give you 50 or 100 unique journals or other types of books. You will use a different pen name. Now that's very important. Use a different pen name, not only to stop people copying all of your books under the same pen name, but also to make it easier when you're going to analyze things later on. So wait till the book is live. This is step 3. Let's get onto this black pen. There we go. Step 3. Wait till the book is live. It can take 1 to 4 days. It does vary widely these days, depending on how quick Amazon gets around to it. And then wait for 3 or 4 weeks. So during this time, you want to keep publishing new books in new niches. You want to stay consistent and publish every day on KDP because that is how you get to success: consistency and patience. Number 4, what you want to do is use getbookreport.com to analyze the results of each niche. So filter by pen name and then write down which ones are making you the most money. So a couple of pointers here. Bookreport.com is a free tool until you reach the promised land of $1,000 per month. So get right on that. And even when you do get to $1,000 a month, it's only, I think, £15 or $15 per month. I can't remember which one it is, but it's certainly worth getting anyway. And write down which niches make you the most money. So I've just written here, use the pie chart feature to filter by author name or pen name, and it will show you that X author name or whatever author name you've given has made whatever percent of your royalties. And this way you know which niches are doing the best for you because you've given each niche a different pen name. So what's important to do now on step number 5 is to weigh up how much time you have free. So maybe you've got other engagements and you can't put all your time into KDP. So what you want to do is make new books in the most successful niches, the ones with the highest percentage. So let's say you don't have a lot of time. You might choose to make new books for only 3 out of 10 of the top performing niches that you initially made. And you want to put all this information down in a spreadsheet. Or maybe you have more time, so you could publish in 6 out of 10 of the best performing niches, or you just want to drop the ones that made no sales. Maybe you're even publishing in 9 of the niches and just dropping the one that didn't make a sale. It's hard for me to say how many you're going to get out of those 10. It's going to depend on your design, your keywords, your niches, and a lot of different factors. But yeah, that's pretty much the end of the video. But the point is, by doing this method and analyzing your results and being systematic about it, you're focusing more on the income generating niches and you're not going to waste any more time on a niche that's not worth your while. So for example, if you make a book in a dog niche and it doesn't ever sell during that 3 or 4 weeks, then there's not really any point in going for the dog niche again when you could be testing new, potentially more profitable niches. So I hope that's a really useful video for you. This is what I do when I'm publishing journals and notebooks and all the other types of books. So I hope you've got value from it. And if you do take one thing away, just be systemized about things, keep things written down, write them down in a spreadsheet or a notepad and just track what is doing the best for you, because that is the only way that you're going to know how you can focus on the income generating niches and not waste time on the others that are not selling for you. So I appreciate you watching this video. I appreciate you for sticking to the end. Remember, the Royalty Accelerator course is increasing in price on February the 1st, so get in quick if you've been thinking about doing that. And remember, YouTube videos are every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. I do apologise that this Friday's video today is a little bit late. I was working on some other things and some other, endeavours, so that's why it's a little bit late. But of course, it is here as the videos are always every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. So I'll see you in the next one.